want to show you how to play the classic gospel hymn, Trust and Obey, in the key of F. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. We're in the key of F. It starts on an F. F, G, A, G, F. F, A, C, C, B flat, A, B flat, D, B flat, A, C, A, G. F, G, A, G, F. F, A, C, C, B flat, A, B flat, D, B flat, A, F, G, F. And then for the refrain chorus, we've got C, G, C, A, D, A, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, A, C, F, G, A, F, G, F. And you've really only got 4 chords that you use: an F chord, a C7, a B flat chord, a D chord, and then there's a G minor in there just a little bit, but it's mostly F and C. It's just an F bass note right there. I'm going to do the introduction right here. So what we do there is we'll just play F, C chord, F, C, F, and just kind of hold it. And all we're going to play is the last phrase of the refrain for an introduction. And start right into the melody. Now all we're going to do is F, C, C chord, C, E, G, F, C, F. And then we'll do a C, E, and G, the C with arpeggiate the chord part of it, C, E, and G, then F, C, F. Then we'll go to a B flat, D, and F, F, C, and F. Then spell out the C7, C, E, G, B flat. And you can hold the E, it'll sound good if you can hold that E through there. If you can't, just go right up with it. But it sounds better. I like it if you can hold that. If you can hold the E. You don't have to hold the G because you've got a G right up here in the melody. So let's play it with that very slowly, the melody. Together. So the A, then the A and the C, and then the C chord, and then F, C, F. C chord, B flat. So there's your B flat 7. You've got that in your left hand and the 7th in the right hand. F, and again that F, C, F. B flat, the D and the F come with the D. B flat, F, it comes with the A right there. Then we do it again. Slow that down there for a little bit of a pause before the refrain. And then we're right into the chorus, the refrain. Here's that D chord. And there's the G minor. So the D7 is D, F sharp, A, C. Well, the C is in the melody. There's your 7th right there. The G minor is G, B flat, D. So we've got the B flat right here in the melody, and we've got G, D, G. And then B flat kind of holds through there and becomes part of the C7 chord. So we got lot of times congregations like to hold that right there. I like it with it held. Then now to end it, F, G, A, F, G, F, C, F, A, C, and F. And then you can repeat it for more verses. There you have it, Trust and Obey, 19th century classic gospel hymn. Hope you enjoy playing it.